What's up, guys? Welcome back. My name is Shun, and today...
Oh, who loves the flow of this? Sure. The emotion, the power, then it just explodes. Okay.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. My name is Shun, and today we're going to be reacting to ONEWE with Rain to Be, Star, and Universe. So yeah, guys, we are back with some more ONEWE, getting into some more of their music videos. We're getting into Rain to Be, Star, and Universe, which, to be honest, all three of them sound like they're going to be some slower songs, maybe even some emotional songs. And maybe because I link Universe with another song that is kind of slow, Rain to Be sounds like it's going to be sad because it sounds like it's going to be a song about just like the moment right before you begin to cry. And Star, well, to be fair, Star could definitely be anything, but when I just think of the Universe, I think of something like ethereal. When I think of stars, and it kind of makes me think maybe that's going to be something slower, something more ethereal. I have no idea though, so I think we'll just get right into the first of the three. Let's get right into Rain to Be. At least for now, we are within this slower kind of dark mood. The way he's singing is kind of trot-like, no? That was really incredible to listen to. Oh, a little bit of a pickup here. Damn, this is actually banging. Their vocal tones are like incredible. God damn. Oh wow, it feels so like dark and almost heartless. I like how the water level is actually rising continuously. Yeah! Get a rap in like that, okay? Oh, his vocals are out of this world. Ooh. Oh, that's banging. Absolutely. God damn. Wow. Oh, what's this? Oh, there's like a boat on the ground. Damn. Oh, that was incredible. That was ONEWE's Rain to Be. an absolutely gorgeous song. First of all, the instrumental, which I thought was going to be a lot slower, to be honest, because it still got the emotion that I was kind of expecting, but it's so like upbeat in a sense that I was just not expecting that. They really have a lot of energy within the instrumentals. The vocals, especially White Suit guy here, are incredible. Like in the beginning, I thought we might be going into some kind of trot. The way he was singing with this very like soprano like voice, it was absolutely incredible to listen to. And all throughout the three singers, they just absolutely killed it. Even coming in with a little bit of a rap into the song, which actually the rap felt like such a good way to connect the vocals with the instrumentals, because the vocals or the rap just felt like, okay, we have the vocals now, but we're connecting it. Yeah, because it had the same pace and everything as the instrumental. That was really dope. And just the music video, like the creative direction of actually filling this place up with water and everything, and having it continuously like fill up, makes so much sense with what the song is about. Rain to Be, they're talking about how this, like when I think of you, I can't help but cry. Like I'm just waiting for this rain, and at some point that's going to flow over. Like he's crying too much. Like it's filling up this this box that he's caught inside. And I think just everything about this music video was so damn dope. But we've got more. We've got even more to check out. Let's get right into the next one, Star. I mean, it looks ethereal. That background is gorgeous. Ooh. It's gonna be something very bright and happy, it sounds like, maybe. Albeit we're still staying very slow and light vibrato and that. Oh. A very slight and subtle pickup here. Really nice progression here. Oh, wow, okay. They are masters in variety. Ooh, those synths. Ah, damn. And that vocal. That piano looks so cool with the strings. Wow, his vocals so full. Okay, we're going to the bridge then. Oh! Like the instrumental, and of course, a guitar solo with that background. That screech in the background, goddamn. Oh my! Oh my! Like, that's so good. God damn it. They are actually like, they're too good. Like, come on, ONEWE's Star, what a gorgeous, and as I kind of expecting it to be, like very, very ethereal song. It was incredible to listen to. It really felt like, well, I was about to say music to my ears, but that's kind of what it was. It was music to my ears, but it felt incredible. It looked incredible. Like, them just using the single set and just bringing so much more of a feeling to, oh, I say this set, it's obviously some kind of green screen, but so much emotion and feeling that they get or give to this green screen is incredible to me. It's simply through the way that they're singing, the way that they're performing with their instrumentals, the way the song is composed, like these synths that pop in to kind of raise us a little bit extra, like the incredible guitar solo is... God, there's so many things about this that's just incredible. Like, I love it. I love the emotion. I really, really like how hopeful it is, while at the same time having this slight sense of hopelessness, which is a really interesting, like, contrast to have within the emotion, and that they're able to convey that at the same time is mind-boggling to me. But we've got more. We've got one more to check out for today. Let's go right into Universe. Okay.
하늘과 땅과 우리만 아는 작은 별에 새긴 얘기.
Wow. That's such a pure vocal.
잃어버린 밤, 잃어버린 시간들 속
Wow.
유일하게 눈에 띄던 빛을 밝혀준 어떤 내 곁을 지켜준 어떤 고개를 떨고 날 보면 안간힘을 내주던 수없이 많은 날에
This
어둠이 널 감을 때
is kind of getting me emotional.
떨고 널 품에 감싸도 괜찮을까 우리 멀리 갈까 더 멀리 가볼까 저 별에 너와 내가
Wow. Oh. The way that kind of instrumental vocal like turned up is incredible.
같은 마음 될까 너의 모든 게 다 너의 세상도 다
Wow.
나의 우주가 될까
Wow.
담을 수조차 없는 맘을 숨기지 못한
It's kind of like a time capsule of some sort.
수없이 많은 날에 어둠이 널 감을 때 고개를 떨고 널 품에 감싸도 괜찮을까 우리 멀리 갈까 더 멀리 가볼까
And then
저 별에 너와 내가
despite the instrumentals rising, he kept his vocals like under lock. That was incredible. Oh yeah, so it's just like a time capsule.
너의 모든 게 다 너의 세상도 다 나의 우주가 될까
Wow! Wow! That I don't get how it keeps on increasing, like the emotion. And this instrumental break there was wow.
우리 별을 갈까 같은 하루를 보내
And all of them kind of bringing who means something to them.
너의 별을 갈게 내게 우주를 줄까
Wow! Wow, the double vocal!
우주를 줄게
God damn. That was absolutely gorgeous. Really getting emotional by this song. God damn, that's incredible. Here, ONEWE with Universe. Let's just let these fireworks pop off in the background. That was absolutely incredible. I was expecting it to kind of be, you know, be emotional and be on this slower side, but the way everything was, well, not just the actual song, the way that they're singing and the emotions that are coming through the vocals, like, they are so damn good. Like, it feels like for each song we listen to, their ability to showcase emotion just gets better and better through the music. But also the music video is gorgeous. The way this is talking about, you know, these people that just mean something special to you, how even if you went far away to this other universe, they'd still be your universe. And I love that. And the way that they depicted it in the music video, with it being what I think at least was like a lover or a partner, and then a mother, then a friend from school, like a dog, a grandmother, like so many different, because there are so many different people that could be this person to you. And I think it was depicted beautifully, especially here at the end, where after they've buried the time capsule, when they're running and we see like these people show up running with them, despite it's only them 5 running, they are running with them in their memories. Just, it feels like they're always with them. It's absolutely gorgeous. Wow, do I love this. But yeah, guys, that was ONEWE's Rain to Be, Star, and Universe. 3 absolutely incredible songs by ONEWE. I gotta say, these guys are something else. I'm so happy that you guys recommended me to get into ONEWE, because they're absolutely incredible. And I cannot understand how it feels like every time we're checking out some new music videos, I feel like I get a new favorite from ONEWE. This time, quite obviously, being Universe, at least obvious to me, because I'm also a sucker for songs like that, songs that are emotional. This one being a very, very happy emotion, despite how it sounds, despite how you know, slow it is and everything. It's a very, very happy song, and I love that. It comes with a very, very incredible feeling of happiness when you listen to that song. And so far, it might just be my favorite of their songs. That's not to say everyone else or everything else is not good, because everything else is absolutely incredible. ONEWE has, so far, of the 9 songs we've checked out, have had an impeccable, absolutely impeccable discography. I cannot wait to get into more, not just of the music videos and title tracks, but B-sides. I can only just imagine how incredible those B-sides are going to be. So goddamn. But let me know what you guys thought about ONEWE's Rain to Be, Star, and Universe down in the comments below. And I guess I'll see you guys next time.